Chapter 8, Part 3. Sibongile gaan staan langs Frik se bank en kyk uitdrukkingloos na hom. Die ander ding van Frik se giggel is dat hy baie moeilik daarmee ophou as hy eers begin het. Nie eens 'n meisiekind wat heel wat groter as hy is en wat dreigend langs sy bank staan, kan hom laat ophou nie. So Sibongile goes and stands in front of Frik like, "Are you being serious?" Like she doesn't have a facial expression on her face. But he has one of those giggles that when he starts laughing, he can't stop, like no matter what. "Wat is jou naam?" Die hele klas is doodstil. Frik se giggel droog so waar op. She asks him, "What is your name?" He stops laughing and the whole class is quiet. "Huh? Wat is jou naam?" Vra sy afgemete. "What is your name?" Frik word bloedrooi. He turns blood red. Frik? Sê half verontwaardig, half verbaas. "Frik van Tonder?" Die meisie leun oor na Frik toe. "Frik rym met tik. Frik rhymes with tik. Frik, eendag gaan iemand jou nog dik tik. En van Tonder." So she says to him, "One day someone's going to hit you." Sy glimlag tot haar oë op skreefies trek. She smiles and her eyes are closed when she smiles. "Van Tonder, eendag gaan iemand jou nog." "Van Tonder, one day someone is going to..." And then she just stops. Die hele klas hou asem op, terwyl die sin in die lug bly hang. The whole class is quiet, because they know what she wants to say. "Noem my sommer Bongie," sê die meisie, en dit lyk of sy met die hele klas praat. She says, "Call me Bongie," and it looks as if she's speaking to the whole class. Sy stap vorentoe, knik vir my en Zayn en maak haar agter die tromstel tuis. Daar is 'n glimlaggie om haar mondhoeke. "Toe, kom," beduie sy vir Liesel. Liesel stap vorentoe. So she goes and sits behind the drum kit and she looks confident. She tells Liesel to come forward so that she can sing. Ek en Zayn kyk altyd vir meneer Marks. Selfs hy lyk effens uit die veld geslaan. So Zayn and Tian look at Mr. Marks because all of them look surprised at what just happened. Die orkeslede brom soos 'n nes vol bye. So there's a lot of buzzing in the air. Just because of what has happened and everyone that's whispering and talking about it. Net Frik sit oop mond voor hom en staar. Just Frik is looking out in front of him with an open mouth. I think he's shocked. Ons trek weer weg. Bongie val op presies die regte plek in met die tromme. Ek kan nie my oë en my ore glo nie. Haar oë is styf toegeknyp, asof sy bang is om te kyk wat sy doen. Haar tong se punt steek effens by haar mond uit en sy byt dit vas. So they start playing the guitars and Bongie falls in at the perfect moment. Her eyes are closed and it doesn't look as if she's scared. She's pointing the tip of her tongue out of her mouth and bites down on it. Haar kop en haar ken knik ritmies saam met die beweging van haar arms. Sy moker die tromme met haar hele lyf en sy mis nie 'n beat nie. So she is bobbing her head to the rhythm of her arms and she's hitting hard and she doesn't miss a beat. Liesel val op die verkeerde plek in en Bongie twist die beat net bietjie om vir Liesel in te trek by die song. So Liesel starts at the wrong point, but Bongie adapts the song so that it doesn't sound odd. By Liesel se sanggedeeltes gooi Bongie haar kop agteroor en tik die tromme liggies, tong uitgesteek asof sy die beat proe. As Liesel sings, Bongie nods her head backwards and just lightly taps on the drum kit, and her tongue is still sticking out. Unbelievable. Ek kry selfs die moeilike dele van die song beter reg as wat ek en Zayn nog ooit by 'n oefening kon doen. So Bongie is so good that even when Zayn and Tian have made mistakes in the past before with the song, they are playing much better. Ons speel die song end uit. They play the full song. Liesel se stem sterf weg. Die klas is doodstil. Liesel stops singing and the classroom is dead quiet. Bongie sit die tromstukkies neer en vee oor haar mond. Ek het nog nooit soveel verbaasde gesigte in een klas gesien nie. So Bongie puts down the drumsticks and wipes her mouth. As they look up, they see so many surprised faces. Meneer Mark skug en kyk op sy horlosie. Nou ja julle, oefening is amptelik verby. Zayn, jy en Tiaan kan by my inskrywingsvorms kom kry vir die roemer kompetisie sodra julle besluit het oor lede vir julle band. So Mr. Marks looks at his watch and he says, orchestra practice is officially done. Zayn and Tiaan must come fetch forms so they can sign up for the competition as soon as they've chosen who they want as part of their band. En moet asseblief nie weer my orkes oefening kaap nie. And please don't come and bother my orchestra practice again. Tiaan writes a note to himself. Dis gevaarlik om party girls te onderskat. You shouldn't undermine some girls.